Good morning, Christian. How are you doing?
Good morning, Apratim. I'm doing very fine. Thank you very much.
Lovely to see you from Hanover after a long time.
Yeah, likewise. Thank you very much. I appreciate it a lot.
Thank you for your time. I can imagine how busy you are. It started today, the innovation. Well, Christian, the much awaited LIGNA.Innovation Network is here. How excited are you?
Well, the excitement is huge because, we are enrolling a completely new marketplace opportunity together, woodworking industry. And using a completely new design platform is a lot different for exhibitors, for visitors, and also ourselves. It was a good thing that the Hannover Messe colleagues already paved the way. And we are offering a network platform that is a real innovation for the industry.
Right. We'll be able to see the area tomorrow, but can you briefly tell us a highlight of the Expo area? I'm so excited to understand.
Sure. Yeah. Well, in the Expo area, all participating companies can present themselves very clearly with their products and innovations via their contact person. With the digital dialogue functions, the customer directly encounters the responsible contact person with face-to-face and name and everything that is actually needful for a proper network. So a special highlight, however, will certainly be the live streaming. Well, that contributes a lot to showing the innovations and giving customers the opportunities to ask, and questions can be answered, and exchange of ideas is what the marketplace LIGNA is very well known for.
That's pretty exciting. It's like physical meeting, as if I'm in a booth and I'm talking to someone from the sales, or I see the product demo. So exciting. Well, coming to the networking event, what are the advantages you feel?
Well, I mean, what we created is very close to a physical trade show. The industry will present itself in a competitive environment. That's important. So visitors can experience the differences in machinery and technologies and the ideas behind the developments and the innovations. And at the present time, when international travel right now is not back to normal as it used to be, this platform offers a great opportunity to obtain comprehensive information about everything that's relevant in the woodworking industry right now. And people can go into a direct dialogue with customers and partners, and of course, make new contacts, make new network possibilities.
Well, if I ask you, what are the main events is taking place in the digital events?
Well, what we did is we took our two dialogue platforms and presentation platforms, the LIGNA Forum, that is especially designed for the secondary industry, and the Wood Industry Summit, that is designed for the primary industry. Both are well established, usually taking place on the LIGNA grounds in Hall 11 and in Hall 26. And we took those two, put them together in our hub, our virtual streaming, where exhibition grounds, everything can be broadcasted live and worldwide, and everything will be streamed over there. So the LIGNA.Innovation Network Conferences program is on the one hand for the secondary industry, the LIGNA Forum, that is based on the focus topics woodworking transformation and prefab building processes, and the Wood Industry Summit for the primary industry is taking care about all green material processing and of course process technologies of bioeconomy backgrounds.
Well, Christian, like in terms of organizing a big event, the biggest woodworking event, and in terms of sales, you will always like more and more numbers and exhibitors to be on board. But like for this year, since it is a very different concept, different program, still we have a really good number of exhibitors, and we are also happy, like a lot of people, exhibitors are taking part in the LIGNA Digital Daily, which we are jointly doing it. But what do you think, what is your reaction on that, and what do you feel like their responses?
Well, overall, the feedback was very positive. However, the overall opinion of all participants is that a pure online event can never replace what we all do together with LIGNA in person in Hanover on our showgrounds. So what we do right now is we take the opportunity to try something very innovative, to use the option of a virtual marketplace. And what we will experience is that many companies put a lot of effort into their presentations and into new technology, into new approaches, and this is what the industry can feel. And again, we are really on a place where innovation happens.
Right. Well, Christian, personally, I feel always challenging and exciting when I do something new for the first time. Since you are also doing this, is the first time. So what are the challenges you felt to organize such a big digital event?
Well, the primary challenge was it offers participants a maximum of presentation and interaction possibilities, of course, and at the same time, being easy to handle for customers who have not been yet deeply involved into digital events like that, especially when it comes to complicated and, of course, very technology-based woodworking machinery. So we are confident that LIGNA actually can offer both, so that participant opportunities are easy to use. We've got hotlines in place and everything. So if anyone has an issue in communicating or entering or registering, just drop us a mail or enter a chat room that is actually active, or give us a call. Well, very old school, but we will be there. We will help everyone along, being it exhibitors or visitors. This is what we took good care of, so that we take everyone on the place where they are and lead them through the process.
Christian, as you started this conversation, I totally believe and totally agree with you. Any B2B event should be physical meeting, nothing can replace it. But still, as you see the situation, and we don't know how long it will continue like this, and in this process there are a lot of things evolved. So do you see any future of woodworking events that we can organize in a hybrid mode, continuing with physical B2B meetings and some online part of it?
Oh, absolutely. Because we are finding that there are many digital supplements, which with a classic trade show can offer even more useful aspects, actually, for people around the world. This is especially true for customers that are unable, at LIGNA times, for example, to come to Hanover, to travel a long way. And so we are really opening a new marketplace. And as the industry might think, we are not doing this just for a one-time experience. This is something we are developing for good and for the future. This is what we are doing right now. We are paving together with other colleagues in Deutsche Messe for different industries, doing a pavement work in this kind of event and marketplace option for the future and for many industries, actually. So this is something we are developing together for the future.
That's great. Thank you so much. That was Christian Pfeiffer from Hanover, Germany. Thank you, Christian, for your time. Next 3 days, all of us will be very busy in the woodworking industry, and the biggest thing is happening next 3 days. So good luck.
Thank you very much, everyone. Enjoy it and have a great time.